Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hooked in Loops. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of my new videos, then please click the bell icon. Today I will show you how to make this very cute baby turban hat. So for that I have used acrylic yarn, and very simple and in very less time you can prepare it. This is the written direction. Okay, for the first row. So we will begin the first round with a magic circle. Okay, so we are doing a magic circle. Insert your hook through the first loop and pull the second loop like this, followed by a chain 1 to secure the magic circle. Okay, so it's done. The magic circle is ready. Okay, so now we will begin the first round with chain 3. This chain 3 is also the first double crochet of this round. We will follow this with 9 double crochets in the magic circle. So taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet, we will be having total 10 double crochets in this round. Okay, so we will soon complete our double crochets in the magic circle and get back to you. After you have done your double crochets, pull the tail to shorten the magic circle. Okay, now we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of the first chain 3 of this round, followed by a chain 1. Okay, but we will not cut the yarn. We will surely do a color change, but we will not cut our yarn. We will take the red colored yarn and make a slip knot. Okay, and we will insert the hook in the slip knot. Okay, and then we will slip stitch in the third chain of the first chain 3 of the previous round. Okay, where we did the slip stitch uh, of that round. Okay, we are doing a slip stitch followed by chain 3. Okay. Now in the same stitch I'm going to do one double crochet. So the first chain 3 was a double crochet, so in that stitch we had 2 double crochets. Similarly, in all the other stitches of this round, we are going to have 2 double crochets. Okay, so in total, in this round, there are going to be 20 double crochets. Okay, so we will do 2 double crochets in each of the stitches of this round. After the last double crochet of this round, in the previous round we had a loop. We will put that loop backwards. Okay, and complete this round with a slip stitch into the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Okay, so we will do a slip stitch now. Okay, and we will do a chain 1, but as we will not cut the yarn, we will use the loop in the fourth round. This is the round 3 written direction. Pause the video and take a screenshot. Okay, so now we will proceed in the round 3. At the back there is a blue colored loop. Okay, insert your hook in the third chain of the first chain 3 of the previous round. Then insert it into the loop, blue colored loop. Okay, pull it through that stitch, followed by chain 3. This is going to be the first double crochet of this round. Okay, now in the following stitch we are going to do 2 double crochets. Okay, Then in the next stitch 1 double crochet. Okay, and in the following stitch 2 double crochets. So I hope you understood the pattern. There are going to be 1 double crochet followed by 2 double crochets in each of the stitches. So in this round there are going to be total 30 double crochets. Okay, so in this manner we will continue till we reach the end. Put the red colored loop backward and complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Okay, followed by a chain 1, and we will not cut the yarn because we will use this loop in the 5th round. Okay, so chain 1 done. Now we will begin the round 4. Okay, so in this round insert your hook in the third chain of the first chain 3 of this round and pull that loop through that stitch. Pull the red colored loop through that stitch. Okay, and do chain 3. So this is the first double crochet of this round. In the next stitch we are going to do 1 double crochet. Okay, like this, and in the following stitch we are going to do 2 double crochets. So 1 and 2. This is going to be the order, that is in the following stitch 1 double crochet. Okay, in the next stitch again 1 double crochet. Okay, and in the following stitch 2 double crochet. So repeat this order throughout this round, that is 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochet in each of the stitches. And in this way we are going to have a total of 40 double crochets in this round. We have come to the end of this round. We will put the blue colored loop backward and complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Okay, after the slip stitch we are going to do a chain 1, and as usual we will not cut the yarn. So now we will begin the 5th round. Okay, so in this round we are going to insert our hook in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of the previous round and pull the blue colored loop, okay, through that stitch. Okay, so now after that we are going to do chain 3. This is going to be the starting double crochet of our round. Now in the next stitch we are going to do 1 double crochet, in the following stitch again 1 double crochet, and in the following stitch again we are going to do 1 double crochet. Okay, after that in the 5th stitch we are going to do 2 double crochets, that is 1 and 2. Okay, so again in the next 4 stitches we are going to have 1 double crochet each. So 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and in the 5th stitch we are going to have 2 double crochets. Okay, so this is the pattern, that is in the next 4 stitches 1 double crochet each, and in the 5th stitch 2 double crochets, and we are going to repeat this pattern throughout this round till we reach the end. Now we have nearly reached the end of this round. We will soon complete our double crochet stitches. Okay, so and we are about to do the last 2 double crochets now. Okay, so 1 and 2. we will put the red colored loop at the back, okay, and complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of this first chain 3 of this round, followed by a chain 1. With this round completed, our hat has started taking a bowl shape. Okay, now we will begin the round 6. Okay, so we will insert a hook in the third chain of the first chain 3 of the previous round and pull the red colored loop through that stitch. Okay, so pull it, followed by chain 2, 1, 2. This is the starting half double crochet of this round. Now in each of the following stitches of this round we are going to do one half double crochet each. So one by one we are going to do our half double crochets in each of the stitches. So in total we are going to have 48 half double crochets in this round. We have nearly come to the end of this round. Okay, so we will now quickly complete our half double crochets of this round. So at the end of the last half double crochet, put the blue colored loop backward and complete this round with a slip stitch in the second stitch of the starting chain 2 of this round. Okay, followed by a chain 1, and we will not cut the yarn. Okay, we are about to begin the 7th round. Okay, pull the blue colored loop through the stitch and do chain 3. This is the starting double crochet of this round. Then we are going to do double crochet in the back loop of the half double crochet stitch of the previous round. Okay, like this. Again double crochet in the back loop. In each stitch we are going to do one double crochet. Okay, so here in this round there will be 48 double crochets. In a half double crochet stitch, if you think carefully or see carefully, there are 3 loops. We are going to do the double crochet in the third loop such that the first 2 loops appear to be like chains in the front, like this. Okay, so we are going to yarn over and we are going to select the third back loop like this, pull the yarn through it and do the double crochet. In the same way we are going to do the double crochet in the back loop in the next stitch too. We will repeat like this, okay, till we reach the end. We have completed this round. Now put the red colored loop at the back. Okay, and we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the third stitch of the first chain 3 of this round, followed by a chain 1. Okay, so we have completed the 7th round. Now we will begin the 8th round. Okay, so in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of the previous round, insert the hook and pull the red colored loop. Okay, followed by chain 2, 1 and 2. This is the starting half double crochet of this round, and in all the following stitches we are going to do one half double crochet each. Okay, so again this round will contain 48 stitches. So slowly we will do one half double crochet in each of the following stitches till we reach the end. Reached the end of this round. After the last half double crochet, we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the second chain of the starting chain 2 of this round. Okay, followed by a chain 1. So now we will begin the row 9, which is the exact replica of the round 7. So from the third chain of the chain 3, pull the loop and do chain 3, and then do double crochets in each of the back stitches. Okay, so we are going to do one double crochet in each of the back loop of the half double crochet stitches of the previous round. Okay, so we will slowly complete this round 2. At the end, complete this round with a slip stitch into the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round, followed by a chain 1. Okay. Now we will begin the 10th round. Insert your hook in the third chain of the starting chain 3 and pull the red colored loop through that stitch. Okay, and we will do chain 2, followed by half double crochets in each of the following stitches. Okay, in this round. Okay, exact replica of the row 8. Okay, so let's do half double crochets in each of the stitches and complete this row very fast. We will complete this round with a slip stitch into the second chain of the starting chain 2 of this round. Okay, followed by a chain 1. So row 10 is also finished. Now we will do round 11 and round 12, which are same as round 9 and round 10 respectively. So let's do these two rounds too. We will do the double crochets in the back loop of the half double crochet stitch like this. Okay, such that the first two loops of the half double crochet appears as chains in this entire round. Okay. So as you proceed, you can see that the first two loops appears to be like chains. Okay, so we will quickly complete this round 11. We will complete this round with a slip stitch into the third chain of the starting chain 3 followed by a chain 1. Okay, so now we will do the last round. So this we are going to begin the round 12, which is same as round 10. I've already done that round, so I'm about to finish it. Okay, so but before that we will cut the yarn of the round 11. Okay, and now we are proceeding with the last few half double crochets in this round. Okay. After that we will just slip stitch into the second chain of the starting chain 2 of this round. Okay, like this, followed by a chain 1. Okay, and then we will finally cut our yarn. So now you can leave the hat like this. Okay, this is also very cute one, but I'm about to make a turban hat. Okay, so for that we will take a yarn and fold it in two and pass it through the needle. Okay, such that there are four strands now, like this. Okay, now we will insert the needle into a middle portion of the hat like this. Okay, now and after that we are going to stitch like this. Pull the needle so that the stitch is quite tight. Okay, like this, and repeat it many times. Repeat it as many times as you want, and at the end just tie a knot to complete it. Okay. Just tie a knot. Okay, and cut the yarn and hide the loose ends inside. Okay, and your turban hat is ready. And this hat is very cute. Okay, especially with this color combination. I don't have a baby at home, so I have used my teddy bear as a prop for my hat. This turban hat is suitable for baby of the age of 3 to 6 months. Okay, I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you liked this tutorial then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries, and any suggestion is welcome. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.